Welcome to 7 Words Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called a canonical tag. A canonical tag is an alternative of 301 permanent redirect that we have earlier discussed. If you can't do 301 redirect from your server cPanel or from .htaccess, still you can do it by putting a canonical tag for every page of your website. Whatever page you want to redirect to another URL, for that page in the source code you can put canonical tag. The canonical tag is basically resides in between opening head and closing head tag in your source HTML code. Something like that it looks like. If we click on this, so we click on 7words.com. so we have opened this website, and if we right click and view the page source, and if we search here with Ctrl F, we search here with canonical, so you see this is the code format. So link relevance equal to canonical and href equals to http www.7words.com. so that means we are telling Google that always take the URL format as http www.7words.com. Now let's take another example. We go to this page. So this is an internal page of 7 Words services. So we click on it. So we click on this page, we go to view page source, and again we search with canonical, and we see here, you can see link relevance canonical, and you see it's telling go to http/www.7words.com/services. So that means it's just alternative of 301 redirect. Now for a WordPress website, from where we can do this canonical tag, it's pretty easy. You don't have to code this thing. You don't have to go to your HTML editor like Dreamweaver, and you have to place this link relevance canonical into your opening, in between your opening and closing head tag. You don't have to do anything there. In WordPress, if you are using WordPress Yoast SEO plugin, then we can easily see on the bottom part, we can see this. We click on this advanced part, and here you can see this canonical URL. So you can put a canonical URL over here. So let us take example. So we have published this page. So this is the page. So we take another example, another page of this, say this one. So we take this page. So we take this URL, and we want to say Google that this page is canonical with this page, and if we update this, now we check the source code of this page. So we would open this page now. So we have opened this page. Now what we can see from here, we can see the view page source, and we can see here with the canonical tab. Now you see here link relevance canonical href lifestyle health club. So now see the page. This is the page doing SEO. What does it mean? Actually this, you are telling Google that don't consider this URL, rather you consider this page as this one. So these are the similar pages. So you are telling Google that don't consider this doing SEO. What does it mean? Rather consider this page, give search rank for this page. So this is the alternative of 301 permanent redirect tag. And from Yoast SEO plugin, from the advanced part, we can do it. We can do it from here. So this is called the canonical URL.